Most Americans are not broke because they bought one coffee. The real problem is that most people have no clear money system. In April 2026, the U.S. personal saving rate was only 2.6%. That means for every $1,000 of disposable income, the average saving was only about $26. So today, let's break down a simple 90-day plan to stop living paycheck to paycheck. This is financial thinking, where we simplify personal finance with real numbers, practical steps, and zero hype. First, find your monthly gap. Your monthly gap is simple: income minus spending. If you bring home $4,000 a month and spend $3,950, your gap is only $50. That means one small mistake can wipe you out. They ask, how do I save more? Before asking, where is my money going? Look at your last 30 days of spending. Split everything into 4 groups: survival, lifestyle, debt, and waste. Survival is rent, groceries, utilities, insurance, and basic transportation. Lifestyle is eating out, shopping, subscriptions, and entertainment. Debt is credit cards, loans, and car payments. Waste is late fees, unused subscriptions, and random purchases you barely remember. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average U.S. household spent $78,535 in 2024, about $6,545 per month. Housing and transportation alone made up over 50% of that spending. So stop obsessing over tiny cuts while ignoring the big categories. Maria brings home $4,200 per month. Her total spending is $4,500. That means she is short $300 every month. She cuts restaurants and delivery from $550 to $300. That saves $250. She cuts shopping from $250 to $100. That saves $150. She cancels unused subscriptions and saves $50. She shops around for car insurance and saves $60. Total freed up, $510. Before, Maria was negative $300. Now, she is positive $210. Second, build a starter emergency fund. The Federal Reserve's 2025 household data shows that 63% of adults could cover a $400 emergency with cash or its equivalent. That also means 37% could not fully cover it with cash. A $400 car repair should not turn into credit card debt. A missed paycheck should not destroy your entire month. Start with $1,000. If you save $250 per month, you hit $1,000 in 4 months. If you save $100 per month, it takes 10 months. Keep this money in a separate savings account, not your checking account. If it stays in checking, you will spend it. Third, attack expensive debt. It is high-interest debt. Federal Reserve data shows credit card interest rates at commercial banks were around 21% in early 2026. This is where the math gets uncomfortable. Jason has $5,000 in credit card debt at 22% interest. That is about 1.83% per month. In the first month, 1.83% of $5,000 is about $92. If Jason pays $150, around $92 goes to interest and only $58 lowers the balance. That is why minimum payments feel useless. The payment moves, but the balance barely changes. List every debt with 3 numbers: balance, minimum payment, and interest rate. Then attack the highest interest debt first while paying minimums on the rest. Fourth, create a payday system. Most people save at the wrong time. They wait until the end of the month. At the end of the month, your money has already been attacked by bills, food, gas, shopping, and random spending. Save on payday, not later. If you get paid twice a month and want to save $300 monthly, Move $150 from each paycheck automatically. Do it before spending anything. Plan your bills. Plan your savings. Plan your debt payments. Then plan guilt-free spending with what is left. Do not keep emergency savings in your spending account. Do not use credit cards like extra income. Do not make your budget so strict that you quit after 1 week. Do not upgrade your lifestyle every time your income rises. Find your monthly gap. Cut the biggest leaks. Build a $1,000 emergency fund. Attack high-interest debt. Automate savings on payday. You do not stop living paycheck to paycheck by trying harder. You stop by giving every dollar a job before your habits spend it. Comment your monthly gap below, even if it is negative, and I'll tell you what to fix first.